Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a group on Telegram app. So if you want to create a group on Telegram, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your App Store or Play Store. You want to search for Telegram Messenger. And here you want to go ahead and update it if there's an update. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on Chat. And to start a new group, go ahead and tap on this new button here. Then go ahead and tap on New Group, which looks like that. Go ahead and choose your people and then tap on Next. And now go ahead and give this group a name. You can go ahead and decide if you want to auto delete messages on that group. I'll leave it right now off. And I'll go ahead and tap on Create. So now once you have created a group, you can see there are 2 members on this group on Telegram. So there you go, guys. That is how to create a group on Telegram using your iPhone.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.